With that, as we celebrate the fourth Sunday of Easter, today is Friday. Tomorrow, mayroon pa po tayo, magsasama tayo. Fifth Sunday na ang aking tatalakayin. And kung nandito kayo bukas, I'll talk about how to live this Easter. Living Easter in us. Easter resurrection is not just an external event to reflect on what happened to Jesus. More than that, it is an internal event should be happening within. Happy Easter pa rin po. 2-3 linggo na lang. Close your eyes, bow your heads, and just believe in the words of Jesus. Have faith in God. Have faith in me. Don't let your hearts be troubled.